I'm sure it has happened to you that you have had some interactions with some posts on Instagram, like liking or commenting, that you wish you could undo. Well, today I'm here to help you with that. I'm going to help you clear your search history or clear your watch history. First, you need to open your Instagram and go to the search section. Now, everything that you have searched here before, if you don't want it to be showing, you can just tap on the little cross icon and it will be removed. Now, we want to clear our watch history. Well, you need to go to setting and then choose your activity option. And here you can see the posts that you have interacted with, whether you have liked them or commented on them or whatever. So if you go to the likes section, you can see all the videos that you have liked. And if you want to, let's say, unlike this post, you can just do that. And then it will be removed from this list. Also, any comment that you have left on any page, you can just remove them from here because you can find the post, and by tapping on it, you can just delete that comment or undo that if you want. Well, fortunately or unfortunately, that is all we can do because Instagram does not keep a record of your search history or your watch history. So if you haven't interacted with that post, like liking it or commenting on it or reposting it, there is no undo button because Instagram essentially doesn't keep a record of that. Obviously, this might be unfortunate if you need to access your watch history, which I have explained in another video.